Congrats, brother.
Respect, man.
So, all the people you know, say,
I mean, nobody no know say me have it. Just I go about my day to day set speed, man. You know?
which is right, brother. So, how your business are going?
Business are going good in a butcher. Get couple more new store. Put some more beef. Open a little bar right now. I really open it still. I invest in it.
No, me never ask if you done bar tough, so.
Man, me give a little sister a piece of food. Open it up. Then anytime I get my investment, just my little cheese on it. It's good.
One thing it is, always I give back to you. The blessing will come, brother.
Yeah, man. That keep it going, butcher. No respect. You see it? Glad to see where you going with yourself to youth. Back in the farming full time.
You know, if you grow and eat, eat or grow, brother. You see it?
Butcher, I really feel no way. Just like what you say, I talking to find yourself. Same thing me do. You see me?
I'm there, man. No over that, brother. You're a big man knowing it is. All the way I go find myself at one time. Sure, you see when I reason every day, brother. You know we are brother.
Yeah, man. Proud of your movements, brother. Proud of what you are do. I'm proud of what me do.
Talking it is. You know, here from such, man. From them time, brother.
Brother, after when me go over there go see, and me save the meal sometimes to process it. Could you just call you and say that? So.
Mm.
Yeah, man.
How about
Teflon, me see man a power within your brother.
through this?
You think I joke though? And me hear them nearly about. You see me? You see, he said there when me left here and go over there. Teflon, me go say I walk out of the bar. Me I have to dodge in the bush for I me never want the man see me. Tell me I tell you what go on.
So it is. You know, approach him about it.
Yeah man, me approach him yes. The man no back all gun for me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Just tell him, remember what you do and left him place. You see how God work, brother? You can imagine if me dey have this silent time there. And next day me go pick up this in a butcher. So you say I do it over yourself.
See where you at, man. Babe, thanks, eh? Yeah, man, I put some olive plant tree over your side. This. You see me?
Yeah, Lord.
Come, Jay.
Yo, I can't even drink. It is. You really are, brother. So you tell me, say, then strap
I
up
tell
over
you
there.
my youth. Me my big up butcher. I'm see and hear how the man attack. I just stick with myself and just know say done with over this. You see them thing there? You know say one place you can lead back to. War.
Alright thing I do still. It is, so that's why you see me and go and talk in. I'm choose to go and live the life then. We have to change. We can't go down the road there, brother. It's like how you have this now, you have to start the right thing, brother.
Yeah, man, butcher. See how I live now, butcher. Before I'm going to collect my food and store them at the bar. You see me go in. Next day I see him thing. Them can't see me, butcher. After me and a fool. Remember the style of life in a butcher. One way or the other. You see me I say. I two things take bad man. Them don't know where them a get themselves in. And at the end of the day, one somebody a go win the war. I understand what I deal with. You left them to the police. I understand. Business we are dealing with. Now make him distract. Still have to be careful like Judas.
Brother, I'm shocked. But let's go on the right thing, you see? Just be careful.
Yeah man, brother, give thanks. You know. I don't know that.
Enough for him, man. I want more now, I'm not saying, brother.
Boy, I love the progress so I go and still you. Can't have admire your spirit.
Yeah,
They
man, you
never
see.
call me for help drop a fork 2 times you and anything.
At least that man it is, you know.
Don't know a thing.
Yeah, go and do it, man, you see it.
I mean it about.
Yeah, man.
Hello. Yeah man, we up on the road, what go on? Oh, where? Him there over there now. What am I say? Butcher, you hear me? We link, yeah?
Yo, I want to go
We
on, brother.
connect, man.
It is.
Alright, so later.